Hey everyone, Rick here with Movement Mortgage, and again, trying to bring more value to buyers and real estate agents out there. And today I'm joined by my colleague, George Vrban, in our reverse mortgage division. Reverse mortgages open up a ton of opportunities for buyers, sellers, and for real estate agents. And I wanted him to come on and kind of talk about some of the advantages of that. George is a 20-year veteran in the reverse mortgage industry. So unlike a mortgage broker that might say, oh yeah, I have access to a reverse mortgage program, here at Movement, we have an entire division of our company dedicated to that. I don't touch it. I just help introduce him to clients that find a need, to satisfy a need that they have. George, why don't you take it from here, buddy?
All right, thanks, Rick. Appreciate the intro. It's interesting you said that, as far as my background, because I think the one thing I try to separate myself from a lot of people is I don't teach it as a loan, first of all. I teach it as a retirement strategy, right? This is the most misunderstood product in the United States today. A lot of misconceptions about this particular product. And this product, even though it's called a home equity conversion mortgage, when people hear the word reverse mortgage, they kind of rank me up next to annuities and used car sales. I don't know what it is, but I mean, that happens, right? But when I get done, and what's interesting is when people are open-minded to truly understand how it works, I get a lot of clients that the light bulb comes on. They're like, wow, I didn't know you can use this tool for so many different things. It's only because people haven't really understood or nobody's really explained it correctly as far as how this product works. So I'll give you an example, and we're going to talk about this as well, but there's two different types of reverse mortgages. One is a refinance where you physically take equity out and you refinance, stay in the existing home, and you can pull it out using a reverse mortgage product. But people weren't aware that you can physically buy a house with this concept, right? People didn't know this, that, as you do this, as you use this product, the goal as far as as far as physically using this particular product is really designed for people 62 and over, and it now becomes a good option for clients to help them really a couple different areas, right? For as far as planning and retirement, it's to help relocate, possibly downsize or upsize in retirement. But the bottom line is it allows retirees to keep more of their nest egg, which is what is into retirement. The goal is not to die with the most home equity. The goal is to go ahead and figure out how much more cash we can have. So it's all about cash flow. This particular product allows people to physically buy more of a house with less cash. Why is that important? Because traditional home financing doesn't necessarily work for a lot of older homeowners. For some people, it might be very difficult to qualify. Others just don't want to be saddled with the monthly payment, to get the kind of house they really want. Mm-hmm. The last thing they want to do is be in their 60s, 70s, and 80s and have a 30-year mortgage. This leaves them with very limited options, especially if they want to relocate, which is where the realtors come into play in this case. Because yes, if the realtors get a true education of how this works, we can literally show clients, and the realtors in particular, how do we help them also increase listings per se, as far as their inventory is concerned. We can help them increase sales, increase purchasing power, which means you can buy more of a house with less cash. The more they get educated, the more they're going to help provide another tool in their tool belt, and really more importantly, help the clients really get into the program that really makes more sense at that age bracket, which is very, very important. Again, some of the fundamentals of a HECM for Purchase program requires an FHA appraisal. It's not credit score driven. Borrowers must establish residency within 60 days. It's available also for new construction. People weren't aware that you can do this on new construction as well. So those are some of the basics as far as that part is concerned. Awesome. Also eligible property types. Single family homes, people can actually buy 2 to 4 unit properties, manufactured homes that were built after 1976, townhouses, properties living in a trust, like a living trust. These are all important things that people are not aware of, and that's the kind of stuff that I actually team up on.
Awesome. I love it. And that's one of the main reasons I wanted to have you on video today, is because these open up more opportunities for our real estate agent partners to get more listings, and to get the new buy side as well too, and truly be a resource for their clients more so than someone that doesn't have access to a professional that knows these products, and we can refer you with confidence, again, knowing that it's not just something you dabble in. Like, this is like your professional life. You're dedicated to this, and you genuinely care for your clients, their financial advisors, and their best interests and their families. So I'm very thankful to have you as a colleague, George, and I really look forward to helping more buyers and sellers with this product and creating more opportunity for our real estate agent partners. We're going to record more videos in this series, so stay tuned onto the channel and social media. Again, Rick Bennett here, joined by George Vrban, my reverse mortgage division. Thank you and have a fantastic day.
Thanks, Rick.